Welcome to Make Money with Prince, and in today's video I'll be showing you an app that pays up to $50 per day for doing nothing. For doing nothing. You earn at least $25 per day for doing nothing. So the app, I'm just going to sign in with my Google account and show you what the app is all about. And please, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave a like to the video. Thank you as you watch. I'm going to sign in my account real quick. I'm creating an account, so I want to walk you step by step. Just bear with me, my network is not that strong at the moment. Okay. Alright, and the app needs some information about me. I'm going to pick my bet here. Gender, you can prefer not to say, you can choose non-binary, female, male, anyone. I'm going to stick with male. Then done. Next. Okay guys, welcome. So the app said welcome, make money, pick a category. Like I said, you're going to be making money from this app, and you're also going to gain value, not just making money. You have entertainment non-stop with this app. So now I'm going to choose TV and movies because I love movies a lot. Okay, select all your favorites. Now there are a list of movies showing here. As you can see, the list is endless. List of movies. So the app needs me to select the kind of movies I watch. So they recommend similar movies to like this, or they give me novels to read about them, something like that. I'm going to choose Stranger Things. Not really a Naruto fan. Taxi Driver, Taking, 8th Grade, Avengers, Black Mirror, The Mandalorian, Irishman, Joker, I love Joker, Mad Men, Once Upon a Time, Hollywood, I love that movie. So I'm going to select a few more random movies. Then let's see. English should do. A Quiet Place, Skyfall, Euphoria. I love this movie. So I think I'm done. Then next, okay, please select one more. Let's choose Atlanta. So let's move. The name of the app is Likewise. As you can see, Likewise is the name of the app, and right now I just signed in, so you can see the name of the app here is Likewise. That's the app. So what do they have for us? See what's the stuff for you today. Swipe left to continue. Okay, alright. So as you can see, they've started recommending some movies for me similar to those I recently picked. So you can see. So we won't be doing all of this. So let me quickly rush you down to where you earn money. So that's what this video is about. So let's hit my profile and see what they have there. Alright, invite friends and earn rewards. Invite friends and earn rewards. This is the cool part. Aside watching some movies or reading them or whatsoever, you earn money inviting your friends to the app. You can just hit your friend up. Hi, I saw this app online and it's really cool. I would like you to watch some movies or read some novels on the app. You're going to like it. And you send them your invite link. You make some money. So now let's see how much you can make off this app. So okay, I can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the app says get $25 Amazon credit when 5 of your friends sign up. Wow, $25 Amazon credit when just 5 of your friends sign up to this. This is really cool. What you're going to do, okay, you can invite them through Facebook. Okay, you can connect. You can connect the app to your contacts, your Facebook, which you can easily pass out your invite links. So let's click on share. Click on the share link. You can copy it out. The link to the app will be in the description. Likewise, my referral link. So I don't mind if you sign up with it. We can make some cool money together, So now I've gotten my link, and I can head back to my home page. So once you have up to 5 friends, you'll be able to withdraw. I think they pay through PayPal. The payment method should be through PayPal. So once you get up to 5 friends, once you refer, your referral will show here. This is a new account, so I haven't referred a single person with it. You can be the first though. I really appreciate. So this is the app. It's a cool app. As you can see, movies. Let's check out Discovery. Got it. So you can see even 2020 election news. You get everything here. The app is really cool. Latest movies. Let's go to books. Let's see their books. Okay, these are some reviews from books. So reviews from books read by some people. And Hubbard said, I'm really into books about serial killers, but I can't find another interesting one to read because I have read so many. Any suggestions? So she has read a lot of books on this platform. As you can see, the platform is really cool. But since you just want to make cool cash off the platform, you just invite 5 of your friends, especially the ones into novels and movies. And me, I'm a movie person. I've watched a lot of movies. I can guarantee you that. So that's it, guys. It's a really cool app. Just invite your friends, make money, make $25 Amazon gift card when you invite 5 of your friends, and in a day you can invite more than 10 of your friends. Just paste the link on your WhatsApp status, and you get everybody hitting your DMs and shit and signing up. You understand? This app is really entertaining app. You can't get dull with it. And I'm going to end this video here. So please leave a like, please subscribe. And again, before I end this video, if you're not in the United States, or if this application is not available in your country, you can simply use a VPN to connect to your Play Store. You connect the VPN to United States or United Kingdom, then you connect the VPN to your Play Store application. You open it and you'll be able to download the application. You can just use the link in the description to get the app real quick. Use the link in the description to get the app real quick. So that's it, guys. And if you are still not able to get the app, just leave a comment. In my next video, I'll show you how to download apps that are not available in your country from Play Store for Android users only. Thanks, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah.